is stunning. Scenic. Beautiful. Sanitized. Peaceful. Yay. Spotless. Out of the ordinary cleanliness, pristine and dirt-free places. Experience the truly amazing Bayawan with me, Ninitod, the Englisherang Bisaya. Do you ever wonder how Bayawan City maintains its cleanliness? Well, here they are. It is because of them. Every day, rain or shine with their coats, cutters, brooms, and trucks makes the city spotless, ignoring the scorching heat of the sun and the heavy rain shower. Thank you, our superheroes, for cleaning the world. Your job is a blessing to all. This is City Truck's Street Sweeper. I think this is the first truck in whole Negros, sweeping the street every day for Bayawanans and visitors to jog and stroll along the cleanest street ever. But where do all this trash go? The Bayawan City Sanitary Landfill, one of the many reasons why we are living in a clean city. It is a home of mixed trash, but in this place is a world to many bird species and trees, kind of like ravens. It's also a bird too, am I right? In their own world, in their own air, in their own habitat. Guys, trees make the air purified because this is the landfill and they dump all the trash here. After collecting all the trash and garbage, they weigh here. That is the weighing scale. Or not that heavy. This is where they recover all the recyclable trash. All of the non-biodegradable are here. No odor because of the pebbles under it that are used to drain the water from the trash. They put up the screens for protection to the trash. That over there, that box over there, that is where they put all of the poop. Let's go check it out. So here is the water from the trash that I have shown you, and use it as an organic fertilizer after it dries up. You can see, guys, there are a lot of fruit trees like babana and bugnay, and also there's papaya. Guys, look at my back. You see a lot of trash, and you might think it's gonna be smelly. Well, actually, there's no water, which is pretty crazy. So you can eat here in peace. Showing you the diagram of the sanitary landfill, this is a lecture area, and the sanitary landfill map. Too much hard work, money, manpower, and even time are given to us by the city government for the cleanliness of the city. But still, there are people or Bayawanans that still taking it for granted. Shouting for the world to change? I'm telling you, the world won't change if we won't change. It must start in our hearts. It must be done within ourselves. Because cleanliness is next to godliness. That's all for now in Bayawan City. Remember, don't forget to take a breath, and of course, see you next time. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!